Hi, darling. So, as I sit here in reflection and contemplation, I can't help but to think about this paradise earth and how it's not so far-fetched as some may believe. The paradise earth is here. This is the earth. And it is a paradise when we take care of it, when we don't abuse it, you know? And I've got this download, these messages, and they're ongoing. A lot of times there are confirmations when I get these visions. God shows me how it's supposed to be, how it's always supposed to be, how it used to be, of us living in harmony with the animals and one another, not separated by race and gender, but a frequency of unconditional love that unifies all of us in harmony. And we have real food that grows from the land, and it's rich, it's abundant with nutrients. There's enough for everyone to eat and then some. No one is homeless, no one is ill, and if they are, the herbs that grow from the earth are there to make them feel well again. And we're just being. No one has to slave away to be alive. You just exist, and you lean into the gifts that God has given you. Some people have natural healing abilities. Some people have spiritual gifts that help the whole community connect deeper with our Creator. Some people have gifts that involve helping the animals or tending to the land to cultivate more fruits. And some are teachers, some are welders and builders and architects, and everyone has different gifts. Some are writers, some are artists, musicians. Everyone has different gifts. And we come together and we share gifts with one another. It's not a gift. It's not a gift if you just hoard it for yourself. It's a gift when you share it with each other, you know? How beautiful. And I was talking with some friends over the weekend, and I realized collectively we all share this dream, this vision of this paradise earth. In our hearts, we all have this vision of it, but it's just a matter of who will actually embark on the journey, who will actually claim this paradise earth for themselves and their loved ones, who has the audacity to say, yes, God, I'll have that. Who, has the worthiness within their own vessel to say, actually, yeah, I want to live like this, not like that. And embark on the journey, And you come to see it's not so far-fetched as they'd like us to believe. It's actually pretty practical. It's pretty practical, It's actually way more sustainable than how we've been going about things, to be honest. So, just natural energy, solar energy. I don't know if it's like hydrogen energy, energy from water. There's wind-powered energy. So many different ways that we can cultivate clean energy to sustain ourselves without compromising the health and well-being of our beloved Mother Nature. That's the thing. We need to live in harmony. There's enough for all of us, how beautiful, I was speaking with an elder, and they shared the same vision of this paradise earth, but they believe that they had to transition into the next life in order to be able to experience it. And this is where, and this is where I have to disagree. And it's like, no, I don't. I feel like in the next lifetime, after we're finished with this vessel on earth, I do feel like we go to another realm of paradise, if that's what you believe, right? But I feel like right here, right now, we came and incarnated on earth to experience the paradise earth here, right now. While the old system is crumbling and they're trying their best to get everyone or to get souls to sign on board to this artificial reality instead of being one with nature and inheriting the paradise earth that's inevitably here once that system is gone. Like, think about if like a major city, right? And all the buildings and the wires and all of that stuff, it just like crumbled away. Like kind of like how God did Atlantis, just like washed the whole thing away and started from scratch. Like just drowned the whole city. Not the people, but you know what I mean, the structure of it, right? Just like got rid of it, rose the waters, got rid of it, and then we started from scratch, bare on the land again, and we decided, okay, this time around we're gonna build it so that everything is efficient and it is clean energy, and you know, it's a system that sustains all of our well-being, not just a certain class of people or whatnot, or a certain race of people, but all living beings. Oh man, a goddess can dream, can she? But I've been having dreams, actual dreams, that this reality is coming to pass. It will happen on earth. And we came at this time. You were born, when you were born, to be able to experience this. That's what we came. We came for this. We literally came for this. We came to not only experience it, but to help build it. Through the will of God, of course. God is going to give us the vision, the downloads, the information that we need in order to bring this into fruition. Just like how they built that other system, right? The one that's not working, was never working, and was never designed for our well-being. Yeah, that one. Yeah, just how they built that, we can build something different. We can build something better, something new. Something with the foundation of love. Love for all beings, or at least are on this frequency, right? I can't wait. I can't wait to do my part, you know, because people are already doing their part. People are already living in this reality. They are already inheriting the paradise earth. They are already living on that frequency. It's not so much a place. It's a feeling. It's a frequency. And you emit it. You emit the paradise earth. You emit the unconditional love. You emit the freedom from within you. And from that frequency, then you can perceive it. You can see it. It's like the world, the planet, Mother Earth, Gaia, she awakens for you. But if you're not on that frequency, then you can't perceive it. You can't see it. A tree just looks like a dormant thing. But when you're on the frequency, you're like, the tree is alive and it's communicating with me. It wants a hug, and it actually has information for me. It wants me to eat its fruit so that I can get this information and know my next moves and what to do. It's completely different. Perhaps I'll make another video explaining. Or if you want, you can book a one-to-one session with me and I'll tell you everything. It's so beautiful, darling. I'll put the link somewhere accessible. If not, you can go to www.godisxtc.com. That's God, like God, is ISXTC, my initials. I look forward to connecting with you. We need to tap in. The more of us on this frequency, the better. Because it's happening. It's happening. It's done. God said it's done already. We're just watching it play out. God is so good. I love you, but God loves you even more, darling. So make sure you accept your access to the paradise earth.